Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming in the new Cyber Orange exterior color from Ford. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have almost the sort of classic jumper seats from the old Rangers, and you can take them off and out here, so you can access some storage bins underneath for your jack in that one, and then I believe the other one is empty just for general storage. And then you have two USBs and a 110 volt power outlet right there. Then looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with your digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, average fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy alone, your truck info such as power distribution, your driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features are in your vehicle. And then moving on, you have your lane keeping system on the signal stalk, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your media controls as well as your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have two 12 volt power outlets and two USBs down there, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, traction control shut off, and your 4x4 controls. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.